So whenever someone enters an email, it's a good idea to check the correctness of that particular email. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on Add Element, and then you can go under Widgets. And here, what you can do is type in email, let's say for example. So here you can see that there's four emails right here. You can go ahead and click on Email Correctness Check. You can go for X-Verify email, Clear Out email validation, and email validator. So there's four sort of validators right here for the email. The first one right here is the email correctness check. It will simply go ahead and check the domains right here. So let's say for example, I can go for gmail.com, I can go for yahoo.com, I can go for outlook.com, and so forth right here. Apart from that, you can go for this one. So this one is actually the X-Verify email, where you need an API key right here for X-Verify. So it's not like won't work straight out of the box. Apart from that, you can see that you can allow and clear out the risky emails for this one. So this is the clear out email validation. And there's an actual validator which actually sends you an OTP code right here. So if I were to go around over here onto preview form right here, then what happens is that the different email validators will act differently. Like for this one, you can see that I can simply type it in and it'll accept. So let's say, for example, if I were to go for these ones right here, just like this, then it says, did you mean this? So I can go ahead and click it, and there you go. There's the validator. You can go ahead and remove it. Let's say, for example, it says, please enter a valid email. And as soon as you add in the API, it'll actually go ahead and check whether this email is real or not. There's the clear out email, as you can see right here. I can go ahead and change it. There's the example, and you can enter it out accordingly. And the other one right here is actually an email validator, meaning when you actually go ahead and apply, you have to validate, and then it'll actually email you a token so that you can actually go ahead and add it in right here before submitting. So these are the different email correctness widgets that you can utilize in your Jotform as necessary to make sure that people who submit the form submit valid emails along with the form. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe